In 2021, a family in Texas experienced a frightening yet amusing tech mishap when their robot vacuum cleaner inadvertently started a fire. The vacuum ran over a stray piece of clothing, which jammed its motor and caused it to overheat. Luckily, the family was home and quickly extinguished the small blaze. The story of the fiery Roomba spread quickly, serving as a humorous reminder to keep floors clear of obstacles and the potential dangers of unattended technology. Subscribe, like, and follow me for more stories.